channel. So today I just want to show you this wig I received from Ygwigs. Came in this gorgeous pack, and I understand that they're on Facebook and they're also on Instagram. You can now with them on Instagram, Facebook, and you can send them an email. It's written here, and in the box, if I open the box, it came like this. Okay, so there is a success story pamphlet here that you can find all the people that have worked with them that promoted this hair, and also you can find this bag. It's a kind of a storage bag for you, for your wig. It can be for anything. This is nice. They have 2 wig caps in the bag, some nice clips here also for you to work with when you are customizing your wig, if that is necessary. So this is also included in the box. Elastic band and some combs inside. I don't know if you can see that. Some combs and elastic band inside the bag. This is a full package, guys. I really like this. Is interesting. Okay, so this is the hair. Now there's this little net that they use in covering it, so let me get this off. So yeah, we'll take this off now. And this is the lace, is 360. Just the lace around about it. And for security, you have combs here, here, and here, and also at the bottom here. This hair smells nice, like it's freshly conditioned and shampooed, like shampooed and conditioned. I really like the smell. Cheese lace wig, and the density of this wig is 150. It's a medium cap, so if you are ordering, you have to make sure to ask for the size that will fit your head. Like with the lace is brown, but the color of this hair is natural black. Okay, now I've been getting requests to show how to install a wig for beginner, so I just decided to use this video to show you. If you are a beginner and you have a wig like this and you don't know what to do, you're not so good with putting on the glue and all that, the bald cap and all that, this is for you. So like you see, I've removed the 3 combs that are in the front. I won't be needing them. So for this installation, for you to be a beginner, you just need something nice and firm that works for you. So fortunately for all, this hair came with elastic band, but if you have a wig and it doesn't come with elastic band, you can purchase one. So what you do is to sew on the side of your ear, behind your ear. Make sure that the elastic band is measured from your ear to ear, the back of your head, so that by the time you wear it, it will stay very firm and it pulls the lace in the front, firm in the front, and you won't be needing any form of glue for this installation. So yeah, you can see how I'm sewing this. If you want an in-depth video on how I install elastic band, I will link it down in the description box. So this is what it looks like after you have sewn it on. And so for this hair, I just want to try it to see what it looks like after I've sewn in the elastic band. So I'm going to go ahead now and wear this wig to see the fit. This wig is really lovely. The texture is nice, and it came already pre-plucked. The hairline is amazing. I didn't even remove anything on the hairline, but you can see how nice and how laid it is. So you can see how with the help of the elastic band now at the back, you can see how firm it's looking in the front. So I'm going to still take it off and wear it without the bald cap I'm wearing on. I just wanted to just see this the color of this lace on my head. Okay, so without the cap now, I am feeling it better. You can see how nice it's looking. If you want to be extra, you can just go ahead and bleach the knots. But for a beginner, you don't need to do that. Just get your foundation, get your powder, and just dap it all over, the lace area. So right now I put the head on the mannequin head. You can still do this on your head. So you just spray in water, and after I spray in water, this hair is really beautiful. I love the curls, the waves are popping nice, beautiful. So I just make sure that I saturate the water all over it, to get everything together, like you can see. And I'm going for a deep side part, so I parted the side like this. So before I wear, so it's good you just part the side you want to, part. And I didn't pluck on this hairline. This hair is really nice. You can see it for yourself that this is a really beautiful lace. And one thing you should know how to know whether it's a good lace. The lace is soft, very soft lace. This lace will not be difficult to wear on your head. But when sometimes when you get some wigs, the lace are so hard, and because they are hard, it's difficult for you to lay after, even after putting glue. Sometimes you see the demarcation. This one is really nice. So yeah, I'm cutting all the laces all around the perimeter, and I'm going to just wear this, having this in your mind that this is an installation for beginners, so you don't have to work too much. So I noticed that I had to trim a little bit of lace there, so that's what I'm going to do. So anywhere you see any harsh line of lace, you just use your foundation to just conceal that part in. So now I'm using mousse, to define my baby hairs. You can skip this part. Baby hair is not even for me, but just for the purpose of this video, I'll just show you. I kind of trimmed some part in the front so that I can try to do the baby hair. So let's just wait until we have finished talking about the baby hair. So we are now removing some hair in the front like this, and I'm going to cut them and try to style it to have a nice hairline. So now I'm putting in some hair cream for curly hair. This will make the hair not to freeze out, and it keeps it moist and nice. So I make sure that I rub it in all. And now I'm using my powder that matches my skin tone, to define my parts and make sure that everything falls smooth. So if you are a beginner and you wear your wig this way, nobody will know you're a beginner. Just wear it, put the rubber band under it, make it firm. No wind can take it off. It's firm and nice. Yeah, so I was tempted to cut this hair, like, make it a little bit shorter, but I decided to leave it since it's the first time I'm wearing it. But maybe in future I might, trim and layer it a little bit, to get another kind of look. So this is the final look, and I really really love this hair. The texture is nice. Everything about this hair is beautiful, and it's quite affordable. So make sure you check in the description box for the link to this hair. And you can see this installation was very quick and easy. You don't have to kill yourself, gluing anything, and this saves your edges, guys. Your edges are safe and secured under this wig with this method, and of course it's lovely. And also, if you live in a place that is hot and you don't need your hair to touch your neck, you can also pack this hair in a low bun at the back, which is easy. You see me showing you now in a minute. Just pack it and just fold it. This hair has lots of volume. Just fold it and tuck it in, and you are good to go. So yeah, that brings us to the end of this video. Thanks so much, guys. Make sure you subscribe to my channel, and bye.